welcome to our online reading tutorial for children, Day 7. Let's review first the letter E. The sound is E. E is for elephant, eraser, 11, elf, envelope, elevator, egg, exit, E. Now it's your turn. Good job! Letter G. The sound is G. G is for gold, guard, gift, goat, goose, grass, gate, girl. G. Now it's your turn. Good job, kids! Now try to do this activity. Write E or G inside the box that has the correct beginning sound with the picture. Let's check. Number 1, the answer is letter E. The sound is E. E is for eggplant. Number 2, E, eraser. Number 3, letter G. The sound is G, gift. G, goat. E, elephant. G, goose. Great work! Now let's learn this letter. What letter is this, kids? Good job! It's letter P, capital or big letter P. Small letter P. The sound is P. P. Say it again, kids. That's great. P. P. P is for pen, pad, pot, puppy, pencil, park, police, pen. P. What letter is this, kids? Good job! It's letter S, capital or big letter S. This is small letter S. The sound is S. S. Say it again, kids. That's great. S. S. S is for smile, sun, socks, stop, sad, star. S. It's your turn, kids. Let's say the beginning letter sound of each picture. P, S, P, 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 S, S, P, S, S. Now it's your turn, kids. Good job. Let's read the words. P, E, T, P, E, T, P, E, T. Pet, pet. S, E, T, S, E, T, S, E, T. Set, set. M, E, T, M, E, T, M, E, T. Met, met. B, E, T, B, E, T, B, E, T. Bat, bat. G, E, T, G, E, T, G, E, T. Get, get. Now it's your turn. Good job, kids! That's all for today. See you tomorrow in our Day 8 lesson.